Today in Crack the Millionaire Code, we discuss finances because your finances in your business is the core. Your why is the biggest asset in your business, understanding why you are doing this because it becomes valuable to your purpose, growing, scaling, and to start developing. Everything is inside the product. Be serious about your money, and your money will be serious to you. So, your main objective when you start your business, how you create your name, how to develop, and then to develop the core, which is your finances, are vital. I cannot stress that more to you. Whatever steps you take, the business core is your finances. So, my name is Rome Cupido. When I developed Crack the Millionaire Code, it was with the very purpose for you to not just develop, but to grow and to scale. So, thoughts, image, behavior comes from the mind. That is the core to train the brain. And how your thoughts, image, and behavior affect your growth depends on how you develop mental strength. So, inside the product, Crack the Millionaire Code, is a mirror image. It's your daily affirmations, daily. Even I do that every day. Is the beginning of your core to set your mind structure to have the strength to build your business. It is not just starting your business, copy my image. You want to grow, you want to get to the next level, and you want to scale your business so that you understand the value of your money, so that you get to the next level and get the life that you want. That is not just a saying, but it is the core asset that you gain. So inside the product, Crack the Millionaire Code, I will leave the link in the description for you not to just get started, but to learn, grow, and earn within the product. That is the value I give to you. Subscribe. There's previous videos that you will find in the Facebook. So join our group. I will leave all the links in the description. Subscribe so that you can get all notifications. So ring that bell. My name is Rome Cupido. I want the best for you. I want you to start, grow, and become the best by understanding your core values. And that all starts here. See you on the other side. Don't forget, subscribe. The links are in the description. See you later. Bye now.